Ashwathama's curse, the immortal warrior with eternal suffering. Ashwathama, the son of the revered Guru Dronacharya and Kripi, was one of the key warriors on the Kaurava side during the epic Kurukshetra war in the Mahabharata. Known for his valiant fighting skills and unwavering loyalty, Ashwathama was also one of the seven Chiranjeevi, immortal beings, in Hindu mythology. The turning point for Ashwathama came on the night of the 18th day of the Kurukshetra war. Overwhelmed by grief and rage after the death of his father, Dronacharya, who was deceitfully killed by the Pandavas, Ashwathama vowed to annihilate the Pandavas. In a fit of revenge, he unleashed the destructive weapon Narayanastra, but it was neutralized by Krishna, who advised the Pandavas to surrender to its power. Driven by vengeance, Ashwathama devised a sinister plan. Along with Kritvarma and Kripacharya, he stealthily entered the Pandav camp at night, mistaking the sons of the Pandavas, who were sleeping in their tents, for the Pandavas themselves. He mercilessly killed them. This act of treachery brought immense sorrow to the Pandavas, particularly Draupadi, the mother of the slain children. When the Pandavas learned of Ashwathama's heinous act, they were furious and sought him out. They found him near the sage Vyasa's ashram. In the ensuing confrontation, a desperate Ashwathama used his ultimate weapon, the Brahmastra, against Arjuna. In response, Arjuna also invoked the Brahmastra to prevent the destruction of the world from the collision of these powerful weapons. Sage Vyasa intervened and ordered both warriors to withdraw their weapons. Arjuna complied, but Ashwathama, unable to retract the Brahmastra, redirected it towards the womb of Uttara, who was carrying Abhimanyu's posthumous child, Parikshit. This act was meant to extinguish the Pandav lineage. Enraged by this cowardly act, Krishna cursed Ashwathama. Krishna's curse was severe and eternal. Ashwathama would be doomed to immortality. Wandering the earth for 3,000 years, he would suffer from painful and festering wounds that would never heal. He would be shunned and avoided by all human beings, living a life of misery and isolation. Banished from society, Ashwathama roamed the earth, bearing his unbearable agony and isolation. Legend has it that he is still alive today, bearing the mark of his sins, a grim reminder of the consequences of unchecked rage and revenge. Ashwathama's curse serves as a profound moral lesson in the Mahabharata. It underscores the devastating effects of vengeance and the importance of righteous conduct. His eternal suffering stands as a testament to the consequences of his actions, illustrating the enduring principle of karma, that one's actions inevitably lead to corresponding outcomes, whether in this life or beyond.